आज आपण इयत्ता 6वी वर्गाचा विज्ञान विषयाचा पहिला घटक द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड या पाठाचा एक्झरसाइज या व्हिडिओमध्ये अभ्यासणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन 1. राईट द आन्सर टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स इन युअर वर्ड. क्वेश्चन ए. Plants and animals. Plants cannot move from one place to another. They are anchored to the soil. Animals can move from the one place to another. Second, plants prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll and sunlight. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They move in search of food from one place to another. Third, plants grow throughout their life. Animals grow only up to a certain period of their life. Fourth, plants respire with the help of microscopic pores present on their leaves and stems. Animals respire with the help of special organs like lungs, gills, trachea, etc. 5. Plants excrete their waste by storing them in the leaves and bark of plants and then shedding them seasonally. Animals excrete their waste with the help of special organs regularly. 6. Plants are only living things which take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. Animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide throughout their life. These are the differences between plants and animals. Question B. What are the similarities between plants and animals? Answers. Both plants and animals increase in height, size and weight as they grow into an adult. Second, they require food to supply energy to carry out the various life processes. Third, they have a fixed lifespan after which they die. Fourth, all plants and animals respire and they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide while breathing. Fifth, all the plants and animals excrete their wastage produced in their body. Sixth, all plants and animals have ability to produce. Question C. How is the plant kingdom useful to us? Answer. Plants are used for household as well as industrial purposes. They provide us with food in the form of fruits, vegetables, etc. That is potato, methi, bhendi, apple, mango, etc. Example of. Third, some plants are also used as medicines. Example, adulsa, hirda, tulsi, etc. Fourth, they also support birds which build their needs. Fifth, wood of trees like oak, fir, birch, etc. are used to make furniture In building homes, etc., wood pulp is used to make paper. Question D. How is the animal kingdom useful for to us? Answer: dogs, cats, cow, etc. are domesticated. Dogs and cats are used as pets. Second, cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. are used for getting their milk. Third, sheep is used for obtaining wool. Fourth, horses, oxen, camels, and donkeys are used to carry burden and for various other occupations. Fifth, earthworm is useful in agriculture. Sixth, birds like hens, turkey. Question E. What makes living things different from non-living things? Answer: living things and non-living things divided. First, living things can grow on their own in size, height, and weight. Non-living things do not grow on their own in size, height, and weight. Second, living things can move from one place to another on their own. Non-living things can move only if someone moves them. Third, living things can reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Living things exhibit responses to various stimuli. Non-living things do not exhibit responses to various stimuli. Question 2. What helps them to breathe? Question A. A fish, a snake, a crane, an earthworm, man, a banyan tree, and a caterpillar. Answer: a fish, breathing organs, gills. A snake, breathing organ, external nostrils and lungs. A crane, external nose and ear sacs in lungs. An earthworm, moist skin, man, nose and lungs. A banyan tree, microscopic pores called stomata present on leaves. A caterpillar, trachea which opens at the side in their skin. Question 3. Fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. Question A. The process by which plants make their own food is called. Answer: photosynthesis. Question 3b. To inhale dash dash and to exhale dash dash is called respiration. Answer: to inhale oxygen and to exhale carbon dioxide is called respiration. Question C. The elimination of waste substances from the body is called dash dash. Answer: excretion. Question 3D. The ability to respond to an event is called dash dash to dash dash. Answer is responsiveness to stimuli. Question E. On completing their lifespan, every living thing dash dash. Answer is dies. Question 4. Write the uses of these animals and plants. Animals: honeybees, sharks, yaks, sheep, earthworms, dogs, bivalves, horses, mice. Plants: ginger, mango, eucalyptus, babul, acacia, teak, spinach, aloe vera, turmeric, holy basil, karanja, moh, mulberry, and grape wine. Answer: animals and uses. First, honeybees provides us with honey and wax. Snakes, sharks use in medicines, cosmetic, pet products, etc. Third, eggs used for obtaining wool. Fourth, sheep used for obtaining wool. Fifth, earthworm used in agriculture for composting. Sixth, dogs used as pets. Bivalves used as a source of food. 8. Horses used for transportation. 9. Mice as pets and models for testing various experiments. Uses of plants. Ginger used as medicine to cure digestive problem of stomach. It is also used as a spice in food. Next, mango for obtaining fruits. Third, eucalyptus for making paper and essential oils. Babul, acacia used in toothpaste and other medicinal purposes. Teak used in making furniture. Spinach used as food. Aloe vera used for cosmetic and medicinal purposes. Turmeric used as a spice and for various medicinal purposes. Holy basil, spiritual importance and for various medicinal purposes. Next, karanja used for medicinal purposes like treating skin diseases. Moh used for medicinal purposes. Mulberry used for obtaining fruits. Grape wine used for obtaining. Question 5. What are the peculiarities of the movements of these living things? Living things: snakes, tortoises, kangaroos, eagles, chameleons, frogs, gulmohar, sweet potato, creeper, dolphins, ants, rattlesnakes, grasshoppers, and earthworms. Answer: living things and movement. Snakes crawl, tortoise swim and crawl, kangaroos jump, eagles fly, chameleons walk, frogs swim and hop, gulmohar grows in the direction of light, sweet potato grows in the direction of gravity, creeper grows in the direction of light, dolphin swim using fins, ants walk, rattlesnakes crawl, grasshoppers hops, earthworm crawl. Question 6. Write in detail about how the plants and animals found in your surroundings prove useful or harmful. Useful plants. Plants like tulsi, mint, ashwagandha, neem, etc. are called medicinal plants and have various medicinal properties. There are many plants which provide us with fruits and vegetables like mangoes. Certain plants are used for ornamental purposes like money plants, etc. There are plants from which we obtain rubber, which is used in the manufacture of tires, tubes, raincoats, belts, sports goods, etc. Useful animals: milk and fresh eating animals. These are the animals from which we obtain food products. They include cattle, goat, poultry, pig, sheep, etc. Dropped animals. These are the animals used for transportation, ploughing of fields, and other agricultural activities. They are hardy and can lift heavy loads. Fiber, hide, and skin yielding animals. These animals yield useful products such as fiber, hide, etc. They include sheep, goats, cattle, camel, etc. Harmful animals and harmful plants. Harmful animals. All animals and insects are not useful. Some of them can cause a lot of them harm to our health and also to our crops. Such animals and insects are known as pests. Insects like grasshoppers, beetles, etc. cause enormous damage to the agriculture, crops, and these thus affect their yield. Animals like tigers, lions, etc. can enter human settlements and may kill domestic animals and people. Caterpillars or larvae of many insects feed on the leaves on which they live. Stored grains are also attacked by rodents like rats and rabbits and by many kinds of moths, caterpillars, and beetles. Harmful plants. Parthenium is a type of plants which can cause pollen allergy to humans. White cedar is a small neem-like tree with attractive yellow fruits. These are lethal if taken by children and cause vomiting, diarrhea, and difficulty in breathing in adults. Leaves of Colocasia and pods of nettle cause itching. Datura is an example of poisonous plant. अशा प्रकारे आज आपण इयत्ता 6वी वर्गाचा दुसरा चॅप्टर द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड या घटकाचा एक्झरसाइज अभ्यासलेला आहे. हा व्हिडिओ आपल्याला आवडला असल्यास लाईक करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.